Hey guys, welcome back or welcome to my channel. So we're in another setting. Don't do this at home, kids, but I'm driving and vlogging and that is not a good idea. But I bought this tripod to vlog in the car, and it's a whole mathematics thing to set this tripod up. The only way I can set it up is if my camera is upside down, and I can't do that. I look really crazy, but yeah, I'm vlogging and people are staring at me like I'm crazy, but I don't mind. I really don't mind. I just want to vlog for you guys and put up this cute video. I have an appointment today, a nail appointment for my toe. I'm going to paint them white. So yes, I'm really excited about that. I haven't painted my nails in so long. My nails look very crusted and dusted. They really look like goat nails. I'm not kidding you guys, they really look like goat nails. But I need to paint them because they look hella crusty. So I'm going for white as always. I like to paint my toenails always white because it gives it a clean look. I like the look it gives my feet. It looks like, hey, is that you, girl? That type of vibe it gives it. But yeah, I really want to film in public and show you what my day is like. I don't hope my fear gets in the way, but I'm a vlog for you guys. I'm a vlog. See you at the nail salon. So guys, I just stopped at the mall, so I'm going to get a drink because it's hot. It's so hot outside, and I'm going to get a drink. It's called a White Rabbit with some boba. Is it boba in it, and I love that drink so much, and I'm going to get that now. I love how my feet turned out. They don't look like horse feet no more, so I'm going to get that. And yeah, I think I'm going to go home after this because I don't have nothing else to do and I'm tired. You can see that I'm a homebody. Whenever I go out, I get tired very easily, but I want that drink so much, so I'm going to get it. you guys, I totally forgot to close out the video, but I'm closing it out now. So thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today's video. I really appreciate it. Okay, let's scoot because my bed isn't made. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I want to remind you of next week, because next week it's Vlogmas and I'm so excited. I cannot wait. I have these super fun ideas, super fun videos planned for you guys, specially made for you guys. So it's my first year doing Vlogmas and I want everyone to experience it with me. And yes, that was it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.